So for the next session, we are going to hear more updates about the membership information of OCF. I believe we are also going to see some live demos of the results of OCF so far. So speaking for us at this session is Mr. Dave Brenner, Senior Manager of Wireless Business Development at Intel. Please welcome Mr. Brenner. 请各位热烈掌声，欢迎 Intel 无线事业发展资深经理 Dave Brenner 先生为我们分享下一个场次的主题。
Bonjour, je m'appelle David. Mon présentation est en français? Bien? No? Oh, sorry. With all the Mandarin, I thought I would mix things up a little bit here and keep things interesting. So, thanks everyone for your presentation so far. This will be the last presentation, and then we'll get into the live demos. But for both III and for OCF, this is a very important presentation, because this is our appeal to you to come join in the great work that you've seen presented today and the incredible momentum that we have in OCF and in IoT. So Dr. Perry showed you earlier the organizational layout, and one of our working groups is very much focused on membership. And as we've moved forward from originally forming the organization and bringing members on board to create critical mass, at this point, over the last year, if you saw the timeline, we've increased to nearly 200 members. We've added over 100 members in less than a 9-month period of time. So we have amazing velocity. And we're at a point in time now, especially with the addition of key companies like Microsoft, Qualcomm, Electrolux, and many others, including here in Asia, Taiwan, as well as China. At this point, we want to keep that momentum going and get others to join in, to participate, and most importantly, for you as member companies then, to build products. Contributions are key here. While we've done a lot, you've seen architecture, you've seen APIs, you've seen data model tools and simulation capabilities as well as certification, we still have a lot of work to do. And the only way we're going to be able to do that is with more members and with more participation. But at the end of the day, the most important thing that we want to help convey here to you, to the community here in Taiwan, is that as IoT is exploding, so we seem it's not going to be nearly as successful as it can be if we don't have products that are actually including and based on the work that we're doing here at OCF. So our appeal to you is to include and build OCF compliant products that can get certified and can interoperate in the market. And at the end of all this, and as I'll show you here shortly, we are an evolving organization. We went through a recent change here to respect and understand that we want to make it as free and open and fair as is possible for companies to include and build on this capability. So with the original formulation of OCF, we structured the organization around 3 levels of membership. All of them were basically paid membership. Entry level at Gold allows you to join and participate in all the OCF activities, working groups, task groups, etc. The next level was Platinum, much more significant fee. One of the key abilities there was to lead working groups and task groups, as well as to be able to vote in these different groups in the specification work, certification, etc. And then the highest level is the Diamond membership, which is basically all of the previous benefits as well as the ability to participate on the board. But understanding that we now have many more companies wanting to join, and we need to also reflect on the fact that there's a significant community of companies that have various constraints, whether it's financial constraints or just resource constraints at this point, perhaps as startups. We have just approved, and I'm pleased to announce here today to the Taiwan community, some additional levels of membership and changes to the overall membership itself. I think the first and most important one is what I'll call the no excuses membership level. Basically, this is, we're now calling basic. And no excuses because it's free, okay? Free. So no more do I have to hear from companies, oh, well, we want to join, but we can't. No more, okay? I think this is a very, very important step in moving forward here. So there is no membership fee. It does allow you as a member at the basic level to access the OCF documentation. You can go to the member reflectors and document repositories and see the work in process. However, caveat here, this level does not allow you to directly participate in calls or our face-to-face meetings. Okay, so you can see, observe, comment, but you just can't be on the calls or face-to-face. The other consideration here is that as a basic member, you can access the certification tools that you saw in our previous presentation. However, if you are going to actually get certified and get an OIC certified logo, you will need to upgrade to a gold member. Okay? So basic gets you access. So this gives you all an opportunity to look at the details, to comment, and to work amongst your own organization's engineering and product management and build and move forward with OCF capabilities. And when you're ready to get certified, you can upgrade to gold. When you want to participate in face-to-face or in the working sessions and calls, you can upgrade to gold at that time as well. If you have a gold membership, and I think a few of the companies here that are members are gold, we're making changes now that you don't have to be a platinum anymore to lead task groups and to lead projects. You can also submit to sponsor a new project. Maybe perhaps it's a new project in a different area of IoT that your company is focused on, or would like to see OCF extend the specification to this new space. And we have also revised the fee structure to make it more consistent with other industry organizations and levels here. So what we're essentially doing is for platinums, we're changing from a fixed fee to a fee that is consistent with the size of your organization. Okay? Now this is a bit of an eye chart. This essentially is the detailed checkbox for the different capabilities and membership levels. I'm not going to go through this in detail today. Since we just upgraded our membership levels, we're in the process of updating our website. It should be out there shortly, so I'm going to encourage you, rather than trying to capture this on your cell phones or memorize it for the test that we'll have later, rather just wait, go to the website and view it there. I do want to also mention, if any of you are part of a nonprofit organization, academic institution, etc., that we do also have a gold level membership, one-time fee for $1,000. So we can encourage universities, research organizations, etc., to also join and participate in this. And I think the most important item that goes along with any membership level, whether it's free all the way up to Diamond is that you do have to sign the membership agreement. Again, that information is available on the OCF website. And as part of the agreement, you also have to agree to the IPR policy. Now, I'm going to reference back to Dr. Perry's presentation about our objective of making this technology free and also fair. So the basic IPR policy that you would be signing as part of this is what we call RAND-Z. RAND-Z, reasonable and non-discriminatory zero. Okay, that's a fancy legal way in the IPR community of saying free license. Okay. Now there are some caveats on that based on contributions and existing intellectual property, scope, etc. So I would encourage you, as you consider, or as you will join, right? We're all going to join here, at least at the free level. Make sure that you do review that IPR agreement, and then we'll look forward to seeing your membership forms coming in here very quickly. One of the things that Dr. Perry also mentioned is the harmonization and convergence activities that have been going on with the community push to see All-Seen and the Open Interconnect Consortium move forward under a common umbrella. One of the things that we're doing with OCF to make that easier, and I know this applies to a few of you at least, is that we're offering a limited time special. Order now in the next 30 minutes and you can have this. Basically, in the All-Seen Alliance, folks pay on a yearly basis. And we want to make sure that that's not a reason or a barrier for All-Seen members to come and participate and join as well. So for the next 2 months through the end of July, we will be offering a complimentary gold membership through the end of the year for All-Seen members to come on board and participate with what we're doing as well. So please, we love to have you on board. I think that there is much evidence and industry push to have a common standard. The momentum is around OCF, and your company's plans for IoT should not only include OCF, but should actually be actively happening, and that's going to start with your joining. So with that, I would direct you to the OCF website, and I thank you for your participation in this. And before we go, I'm now going to transition to what everybody's really here to see, which is live demos, right? We love live demos. So I'm going to ask our demo folks to come on up and set up for your gear. And I don't know if you got the cameras going over there. So I think we're going to start with Microsoft. How's that sound? We're going to put them on the spot. So Julius, are you ready? Not yet. Okay, who's ready here? Tanya, are you ready? All right, we're going to start with Intel. I work for Intel, so I'm going to pick Intel too. So, all right. So let me introduce Tai Seng from Intel, and he's going to take you through our demo here.
嗨，各位先进大家好啊，我只代表 Intel 在这边展示Intel 在IoT 上面的一些demo。那在这个 demo 来讲的话 ，Intel 除了提供 IoT 的各种platform 之外帅哥一定要秀出来。Intel 除了提供IoT 的各种平台之外来讲的话 ，Intel 还跟OCF 的各个 member 来一起开发一个 IoT Open Source Project， 然后我们在这边现场就把那个 IoT enable 在Intel 的 platform 上面提供一个 Smart Home 的 usage。那有兴趣的业界同仁欢迎会后来我们一起来做一些技术上的讨论。谢谢。
各位同仁大家好哈，我这边是美商沃克士， 我们其实不像就是其他的2家是提供某一种产品，事实上我们提供的是一个所谓的 IoT Device Management 的一个平台。那这个平台呢，不是专门为某一种产品来设定，它事实上，比如说举我们现在在大家 focus 这个 OCF 的 portal 来说，它可以针对所有的 device 呢，我们帮你们做这个 OIC 的这个我们称为 agent 的这个部分，这个收位呢可以帮你埋在你的 gateway 里面，然后呢把这个你里面所谓的 resource 啊 data model 这些东西呢information 呢传到我们的现在这样类似这样的 server 上，那这样的 server 呢就还可以带到就是各位想要提供给你的 end customer 的 service。那在上面我们可以做很多的功能，比如说你可以远端的监控你的所有的 resource， 你可以远端的 configure 你的所有的行为，比如说开灯、关灯这种的各种的行为那另外我们还可以在这上面做很简单的，就是说快速的客制化来提供各位的一些像大家想要提供在 service 上的 application 之类的大概是这样，那大家可以一起来研究一下。
I found that most of the audience speak Mandarin, so I'll go with Mandarin. 大家好，我是 Microsoft Julius。那我想今天我们这边的 demo 主要是给大家一个 concept， 让大家了解到，如果当我们达到 open connectivity 还有 interoperability 的时候，我们可以达成怎样一个 user scenario。所以你可以想象你在一个你的 living room 里面，你的客厅里面，那在客厅里面你可能有各式各样不同的 device， 那这其中它每个 device 可能它执行不同的 system， 执行不同的 protocol， 那所以在这里面有一个很大的 fragmentation。所以如果有这样的 protocol 的话，我们可以把所有东西都整合在一起。比方说，我这里有一个 smart speaker， 它应该是一个 old joint DNA， 那我有 Philip Hue 的灯泡，那这是 Lift 的灯泡。那这个是 Lee-Wave 的 Power Outlet， 它是一个插头，所以它很适合来整合像电风扇这种不是那么 smart 的 device。那在这上面呢，我有一个 An-Ocean 的 Gateway， 还有一个它的 Smart Switch。那这 Switch 很酷的地方是它不需要电池，它不用充电，所以你可以放在家里任何地方。可以透过它，你可以遥控你的灯泡，你可以开关我也可以开关我的电风扇。OK， 那这个App 的部分呢，它基本上是一个 application 装在我的 Windows device 里面。那这个部分是一个 Hub， 基本上在这个 Hub 上面，它有很多我们所谓 DSP。DSP 是一个 software 一个 service， run 在这个 device 上面，它去做这些 protocol 的 translation， 所以把所有的 protocol 都整在这里面。那像这样的目前我是用Marble Max， 它是 Intel 的 SoC， 然后加 Windows RT Core。可是你不見得非得要 Windows 不可。It's not limited to Windows. You can implement that kind of device with any other technology, any other operating system. OK， 所以这边呢，我也把我们的 Cortana 整合进来，所以我可以试一下 Cortana。Hey Cortana, please turn on my living room.所以当你走到你的客厅的时候，你可以跟他说，请打开我的客厅，所以他会把客厅所有的装置，这是一个类似刚刚有一个 section 叫 group 的观念，他把这些你的家里的电器把它 group 起来，一起把它腾上。Hey Cortana, I'm leaving my living room. Well. 所以今天这是我的 demo， 那我想大家应该可以从里面得到一些 idea、一些 concept。OCF 我们到底想要达成是怎样的一个 user scenario？ 谢谢。
谢谢，非常感谢3家厂商代表带来的精彩的示范，也谢谢 Mr. Brenner 刚刚的说明。